Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're going to be talking about key mapping or using key remote. So here I have my keyboard, Go Blue, and I want to click on key. Anything that turns orange is a parameter that I can map. So I'm going to map song 1 as 1 and song 2 as 2. You'll see them pop up over on the left side of your screen. So when I click song 1, that should start that song. And then when I hit 2 on my keyboard, it'll finish out that bar and go to song 2. So switching over to arrangement view, something I like to do when I'm tracking is map the record button to the R on my keyboard, which is basically just making a shortcut that I'm familiar with for recording. So anytime I want to record, I hit the R and we're going. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.